Hello, in this video, I will tell you how to convert date into day, month, and year. So, first of all, I just copy this column where the date has been written and then paste this into other column of day, month, and year, and then select the day and click on Control 1. Here you can select custom and write day 4 times D and then click on OK. You can see that the date has been converted to day. And then again select the month and control 1 again, customs, and select write months 4 times. You see that the date has been converted to months. And then lastly the year, control 1 and customs, and select y 4 times, write y 4 times, and you have converted the date into year.